Alright guys, come fishing with me. And so I'm going kayaking by myself today. So as you can see, got all my gear set up, and then yeah, come fishing with me. So I got 2 bait caster, and then my bag, and I had a water in it and some flyers, and then it's my tackle box, my paddle, Crocs, and some waterproof where you put your phone in it. So yeah, we're using 2 bait caster today. Okay, so today we're starting on this thing, Abu bait caster with a TJ's double Colorado switchblade spinnerbait. So yeah, we're just gonna throw these in snags. Let's go and give it a crack. So Oh, got him. Got it, guys. Oh, good. Shit, a good one. Holy shit. You see that? Sheesh. See that? On this spinnerbait. TT spinnerbait. Good size. Sheesh. I just on that log right there. And then boom. Get one. First catch. First fish of the day. Cod. Sheesh. Got it? Landed. Good size. Cod. On TT. Double Colorado spinnerbait. Good size. Sheesh. Alright. Got him. He's gonna land this here. Alright. On a TT. Double switchblade. Ah, you beauty. Gonna release it. Sheesh. Fuck. Alright, guys. We get a good size cod on a oh, you got my fucking finger. Alright, but sure, I'm gonna release you anyway. Open your mouth. Fuck. Chill, he's angry, bruh. Holy smash my lord. Good size. I reckon it's a 40 to 50 centimeter or over. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, shit. Yeah, such a beauty. Sheesh. First catch of the day on a spinnerbait. Good size cod. It's 56 centimeter, good size, little size, but we're gonna put it back. It's master, you beauty. Is on that. Sheesh. Put him back. Oh, thank you, buddy, for making my day better. Oh. Just tell me when you're ready. Look at that good size cod. Oops, it's ready. Oh, you beauty! First catch of the day, Murray cod. We just released it, and then caught the cod on his spinnerbait. Sheesh, you beauty! Alright, guys, we just caught our fresh fish today. Good size Murray cod, 56 centimeter in spinnerbait. You beauty! So yeah, I'm on my kayak again. Let's go. New spot. Looks like a little bit cody, and so yeah, and there's a lot of snags here. So yeah, let's give it a crack. new spot. Nice and beauty, good looking. Let's give it a crack. First cast. Oh shit. Alright, so we're gonna use this another bait caster. We're just gonna throw this low what paddling is a Zurich deep diving low pink and purple color. And yeah, we're just gonna cast this. And then just put it there. And yeah, hope we're gonna catch a fish while paddling, and while we're trolling this, I hope we're gonna catch fish. Let's go. Alright, the lure is out, we're just trolling it, and let's go much further down there. And yeah, hope we're gonna catch a fish. Good luck. We didn't caught any fish on our deep diving lows. Direct. So yeah, that's fine. And here we go. I'm in the same spot again where I caught the yellow belly before. It's like what I said when I went fishing last weekend, Saturday, where I caught 4 fish. This is where I caught some of the fish here. So let's give it a try on this spinnerbait. Hope we're gonna catch a fish again. Oh, got it. Oh fuck, dropped it, shit. Hit it in the drop, fuck. Fucking hell, bro. Oh. Oh my days, bro. Dropped it, guys. I reckon it's a big cod too, because it feels good and good size. Oh, wow. It's been like 20 minutes since I lost a fish, and we went much further, and then I saw this cow, freaking cow, me. So yeah, and I might change lures soon because haven't got a bite on a spinnerbait yet. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, it's been like 40 minutes paddling, and we haven't got a bite yet since we dropped the second fish. And now we're here on the spot where there's a lot of logs at. Probably there's a couple fish here, and yeah, hope we're gonna catch another fish again. Yeah, let's go. We got another one again, bro. First cast. Holy huge cod. Holy, look at that. Holy, maybe like 60 or 50, 60 centimeter. Look at the head of that shit. Holy, just on that log. Spinnerbait. You beauty. Good one. Alright, we got him. Oh, he's angry. He just swallowed that. He just swallowed that all of it. He just swallowed my spinnerbait. Holy, I reckon this is like 60 to 50 to 60 centimeter cod. Holy. He just first cast, and he just, boom, first cast. Oh, he's got it. Holy, big one. How I'm gonna land this? Oops, there's another one there again. Oh. Alright, this is my third fish, but the second one doesn't count because I dropped it. And then, holy huge. Holy, you swallow my lure, my freaking lure. Alright, so we're just going in the bank. And yeah, because I can't land this by myself because it's really big. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, as you can see, I'm wet now. This cod is angry, so angry. Look at that. Such a beauty. Look what did he. Holy. Alright, we're here. Oh, finally landed. Oh, just swallow all of it. Landed. Look how big is that. His mouth is like, I can hold it because his teeth is so sharp. So I might just gonna use my what's that called? Oh, look at that shrimp. I'm just gonna use my whatever you call, I forgot. This thing. You got him? Huge. Holy moly. Huge. Oh, holy, just swallowed that. Swallowed that. Holy moly. What do you guys think? How big is this? Like, look at the head of that. Oh, he's angry. Don't worry, bro. Oh, I'm gonna put you back. I'm gonna put you back. You just swallowed that shit. See? Alright guys, I'm by myself, so yeah, just gonna grab my pliers. He's freaking huge, bro. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Just swallowed that. I'm by myself. Holy moly. I don't know if I can take this up because, bro, he just swallowed all of this and the hook is so deep. Like, how I'm gonna get this out? How I'm gonna get this out, bro? Look at that. How big is that? It could be my baby. I don't know. See? Not middle cord, not over middle cord, but that's fine. I'm gonna get this off. Oh. Freaking angry, bro. Oh my god, it's out. Oh, you got hooks there. Finally, bro. Alright. I think we got it, guys. Don't move. We got it. We got it. It's freaking awesome, bro. Alright. We got him! We got him, bro. Holy shit. Alright, moment of the truth. Moment of the truth. How big was it? Alright. Alright, chill out. Don't get my hand. Just open your mouth, bro. I'm gonna release you. Don't worry. Oh, this is some stress, bro. I think he's dying. We're gonna put him back. So he's 61, 62 centimeter, guys. We're gonna put him back immediately before he's gonna die. Let's go. Alright. We're gonna put him back because he's gonna die. I hope not. Alright, thanks for making my day. You little mother. Such a beauty. Oh, you ready? You ready? Just on the spinner bait. You ready? You beauty. Choo! Right, guys, we're just having a break after that fish. After that, caught that fish. And yeah, we're just here alone, just chilling, and just gonna drink some water. Yep. Tatas. Alright, guys, well, it's been like 20 minutes, I guess, since I'm here. So I was flying to like go much further down there, but it seems like there's no way out to come back here, because there's only way, like, I mean, you can go there, down there if you go there, but if you come back here, there's no way back here anymore. So I decided to like probably just stay here, you know, because I mean, I can go down there, and then the only way out back here is go that way, but the current is like a little bit rough, so probably I can paddle it with my kayaks, and especially I just check it, and then after that there's a drop there and it's really deep, so yeah, I think it's just better to like not go there and just stay here, and I'm gonna start heading back since it's almost getting dark. I mean, it's not getting dark yet, but yeah, anyway, yeah, I'm gonna keep moving now. Okay, I'm already on my kayak, and then yeah, let's go. Hope we're gonna catch fish again. Pew! Here we go, first cast. Got a snag again, guys. We got it back. He's gonna fix it. Alright. Alright, here we go. Oh, that was a tap. Holy moly. Alright. Oh, hell no. Oh, alright. Oh, got him, got him. Holy, got him. Got him again. Holy. Oh, a freaking yellow belly. Smash that. Holy. Freaking yellow belly. All right, the spinnerbait, same spinnerbait like earlier. Smashed it again on, what's that called? TT double Colorado switchblade and double Hawks black purple color. Oh, you beauty! Oh, okay. Yo, yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I think it was a good size cod, but it turned out it was a yellow belly, and just on this logs. Oh yeah. Third fish of the day. Supposed to be full, but I lost the other one. But yeah, still be thankful. I'm gonna get this out. See that? You guys see that? Ha 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 ha. Huh? Ha that. Ha hello. Alright. You beauty! Right? Yellow belly. When where is that? In a deep diving loss. Bruh, I wasn't filming because my phone is about to flat, and he just struck it like 3 times. And then the third one, I got it. I don't know how big was it, but I think it's just a small one, probably like 25 to 35 centimeter. But yeah, shoo, on the board. Got one, another one again. It's just a small cod. Huh? Let's go. Alright. Holy moly. Yo guys, we just got back from fishing and we end up catching 4 fish today. We caught 3 cods and 1 yellow belly. Supposed to be 5, but we dropped the other one, so I don't know if either Murray cod or yellow belly, but yeah, we got 4 fish today, and hope you guys enjoy my fishing video. Let's go.